Hello students, in this lecture video, I'll be telling you about transgenic animals and the ethical issues associated with this. So animals which have their DNA which can be manipulated means a foreign gene has been transferred into them are called as transgenic animals. So there are transgenic rats, rabbits. So maximum of the transgenic animals are mice. Now what can we benefit by using transgenic animals? One is to study the normal physiology and development. Suppose we want to study a factor called as insulin-like growth factor, and we want to study what it does in the body. What we are going to do, we will introduce this gene and alter and study its different effects in transgenic animals, so that we will come to know that if this gene is manipulated, if some alteration is there, then how it affects the mice. So similar manipulations, if done in humans, can also affect humans. So kind of this study can be extrapolated. Next is study of a disease. Suppose we want to come up with different treatments of the disease. What we will do? We will introduce the disease causing gene in transgenic animal and see what treatment is effective on it. Another is producing biological products like human protein alpha-1 antitrypsin, which is used to treat emphysema. Similar attempts were there for treating phenylketonuria and cystic fibrosis. And first transgenic cow, Rosie, which produced human protein enriched milk, which is alpha-lactalbumin. That was nutritionally very advantageous for human babies. So these biological products can also be used for that production. Next is vaccine safety. So to check the safety of vaccines before they are used on humans, the transgenic animals can be used for this purpose. Then for chemical safety and testing, how it can be done. Suppose any chemical has to be used and then the toxicity has to be seen. So then what is done? These transgenic animals will be tested first, so that when the toxicity level is fine, means it is no more toxic to the animal, means in humans also most probably it will be non-toxic. Now coming to the ethical issues, means genetically modifying organisms. Many people say it is not correct, it is not regarding it is against the morality. Therefore, Indian government set up some organization who will take the decision regarding validity of the genetically modified research. Means all researchers cannot undertake transgenic animals, only which one is safe and valid. So GEAC, that is Genetic Engineering Approval Committee, came into existence, which will solve the problems with the patents plus with the research. So what is a patent? Suppose somebody has, discovered something. And like for example, in case of India, what happened regarding basmati rice? Some foreign country like US, they said that it is our rice. But we know that basmati is of Indian origin. So we have to apply for patent. That means if one technology we have, you can say a document is given to us that yes, this company of India has produced a particular thing. So this will take into consideration the biopiracy, which is the term used to tell that the bioresources by multinational companies without authorization, they cannot take it. So for that authorization, the Indian Patents Bill also came into existence, where it was, these are also part of ethics, that we cannot, like a thief, we cannot take any technology without the permission. And we cannot label that it is ours. Like the basmati rice, for its unique flavor, we know in US what happened, they crossed this basmati rice with different varieties. So and said that basmati rice belongs to us. But we know that basmati rice is of Indian origin. You can manipulate it after our permission. Similarly, our Indian traditional herbal medicines like turmeric, neem. So different patent applications after this was seen, so that the injustice is not there. If somebody has to take the technology from us, the proper compensation has to be done. So exploitation of bioresources was, avoided by using this ethical issue, as well as by our Indian Parliament, which released the Indian Patents Bill, so that it is a good initiative for research and development.